Hello, my name is Yamira Johnson, and this is my week 5 video for the New American Speaker Program. And I want to share with you some memories of my first days in America. I was 15 years young. I had moved from Puerto Rico to Brooklyn, New York, a little bit north of Coney Island. And I remember how impacted I was when I saw apple trees because I had been used to mangoes and oranges and limes, lemons, but I'd never seen an apple tree before. So that was something that caught my attention and I still remember. Also the snow, it was cold and I was so excited to see snow for the first time that I played outside for so long. My toes, I didn't have the proper socks and my toes started to freeze. So I had to go back in and put my feet on the heater to warm them up. I went back to Puerto Rico after that, had my children, and I knew I wanted to come back and build a home here and integrate through work and community. Thank you.